Hi everyone, this is Kathy with Frankly Natural Beauty. Kelsey's here today. She's just operating the camera right now. Today we're going to make another winter soap or Christmas, whatever you want to call it. We made one last year that was called Cinnamon Cocoa. And today we're going to make a very similar one, but it's going to be a little bit different design. We're going to do, and then we're going to call it Hot Cinnamon Cocoa because I want to look like a little steamed milk in the middle of the bar, and then whipped cream on top with the little chocolates over here. I don't know if you guys can see these. I'm going to show you do it later. And we're going to have a little bit of coconut milk in there and a little bit of ground up oatmeal for a little bit of exfoliation. And in my pot I have the same oils as usual. It's my recipe. I have coconut oil, olive oil, palm oil, castor oil, and sweet almond oil. Okay, so let's go and make this soap. But before I go, I want to say thank you so much to everybody that's subscribed to my channel and Kelsey's channel. We really appreciate it. We love you guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to put in here my oatmeal. My ground up oatmeal. Oh, before I do that, I want to show you the little thingies here. Little chocolate made with melt and pour. They're going to be on top. And I also want to put some cute little straws, paper straws. And those are biodegradable ones. Alright. So let me do that. Let me put a little bit of this stuff in there. I'm just going to put a couple of teaspoons here. Tablespoons, teaspoon. I think they're more like tablespoons. And I don't like putting a lot of it. I don't want to make it too weird. Anyhow, let's do this. Gonna blend this in. Okay, so let me put my coconut milk in there. It's a little chunky. This is a different one, different brand, but it is organic and non-GMO. Really good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to blend this too, and I'm going to come back, and then we'll put the lye solution in. Okay, so let me put my lye solution in here. There we go. Alright. And I'm gonna blend it in a second till we reach trace, light trace. Use a different container here. So this is gonna be the steamed milk in there. I hope. It's gonna be steamed milk. And I have my titanium dioxide here. So I am gonna do this over here. Before I do that though, I'm going to put the fragrance oil in the big bucket because I forgot to do that before. Now I'll put the rest in here. pour some of the base on the bottom here. Really dark, very dark chocolate. This dark chocolate mocha, man, almost. Doesn't it feel like that, Kelsey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then I'm going to put this guy in the middle. Okay, so I am going to tap this down to make sure there are no bubbles, and then I will come back and show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a skewer. I'm going to go around like this. This way, and then I'm going to do this way. Maybe like this. Okay. And we're done for now, and for this part of here, and now I'm going to go and make my frosting, and I will come back and show you the piping. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm going to stop piping. What I'm going to do is going to be like a whipped cream. Little curls on top here. Little. Yep, that's what we're going to do. I think I want to do more than that. Anyway, Kelsey went to bed. She was tired. She was at the shop today by herself, and I was here home making stuff. That's how we operate right now. And she was telling me that I was slow today, and she was kind of bored over there. But that's okay. Some days are like that. Sometimes, you know, people come and buy a lot of stuff. Sometimes, you know, it's just slow. That's how it goes. But now Christmas is coming, so we're going to be busy. We are running out of a lot of stuff, so that's why it's been really hard for me to make videos, because I have to make things for the shop too. And our bath bombs, oh my god, they are doing so well. I am so happy about that. Alright, see this one here. Okay, so we're going to have a frosting on top, like this over here, and then we're going to have little chocolates on top. And little straws. Anyway, I was talking about the shop there. We went to, last Saturday we went to a bazaar, Christmas bazaar, and it was cool. It was really busy. We actually did very well. We still try and go to those because, you know, you meet new people. It's very fun. Alright, so I'm done with this one. I'm going to go get the chocolates, and I'm going to put them on top, and the straws. Okay, so what I have in here, I have some cocoa powder, and I'm gonna spritz it all over here. First I'm gonna spray the loaf here, the whipped cream frosting with 91% alcohol, and then I am gonna put a little bit of sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder over here. Alright guys, this is what it looks like very close. Little close up of this beauty. There we go here. It looks really cute. It's very similar to the one I did last year, but I used a different piping tip, and also I didn't put straws in there. I actually had cinnamon sticks in there, and I didn't want to do that because some people were like, oh, is this a real cinnamon stick? It's like, yes, it is. And a lot of them, like, questioning, why would you put a cinnamon stick in the soap? I was like, well, because it looks cool. And I told them you have to take it out before you use the soap. But, sometimes, I don't know. It's just the way it goes. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So I'll check in 24 hours and see if it's ready to be cut. If it is, we're going to cut it, and I'll show you what's going on inside. Alright, so I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours and we got our soap, our hot cinnamon cocoa soap out of the mold, and that's what it looks like. I'm kind of worried because the brown has a little bit of a hint of green. I don't know if you guys can't see it from the camera. It's kind of weird. So we hope that, it cures and becomes dark like the sides. It should be becoming darker. But it may look different when we cut it. So let's find out and see what it looks like inside. The top looks really nice. And the sides and everything, I just don't like that greenish hue, and I hope it's going to disappear. I'm positive it will, because I had something like that happening before. Those micas, sometimes mica powders, they're kind of funny. I know the yellows morph, but I didn't know about the browns. Let's find out. Okay guys, so I just cut a little sliver over here just of this loaf over here, and I'm kind of worried because it looks brown green, musty green. I'm not liking it. So we'll see what happens when it cures. I never had that happen before. But the design is pretty cool. And see, and this over here is like purplish. So it is an interesting color. Oh, let's see, the design is pretty cool. I just don't know what's going on with the color. Because with the browns, I never had this happen. It happened with the yellows, and I know that's normal. And with the reds, but never with browns so far. And I've been making soap for a while. And this, it's more like a purple instead of a brown. So that's kind of interesting too. But it looks cool. It looks more like a flower than a coffee and then a hot chocolate. So we'll see what happens when it cures. Now I'm going to be cutting all of these over here. And all the micas are from Brambleberry, and one mica actually was a different brand. That was Wholesale Supplies Plus, right? Crafter's Choice.
Yep.
Yeah. But I mean, I like the design. That's pretty interesting, isn't it? Looks flowery. Hey, why not? And I just don't like that color, that purple color. Hopefully it's gonna change. Oh, this is too close. Okay, so adjust this a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting these, and then I am gonna show you the bars, what they look like. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay guys, here they are, and I'm still kind of shocked to see those colors. If any soapers out there is watching this, please let me know that this happened to you too. Because this has never happened to me with the brown, like I said before, with the yellows and reds. but not with the brown. And I don't understand, it's like green, and in the middle over here it's like purplish color. I don't understand where that comes from either, because I didn't use any purple. It's all brown. So we'll see what happens when it cures. Hopefully it's gonna morph into a nicer color. I mean, I like the way it turned out design wise, I just don't like the colors. So we'll see what happens, and I will be posting the results on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go check it out. I post a lot of the soaps over there, and a lot of other things, you know, not just soaps, all kinds of things at the shop, or new products we got in, all kinds of stuff like that, and what we do too. So if you want to go and check it out, so what's our Instagram name?
FNAT Beauty.
At FNAT Beauty, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so we'll put the link underneath. And like I said before in other videos, if you want to get a bar of our soaps, we are populating our Facebook page with more soaps. And you can just buy from our Facebook page right now, and still working on the website. And I'm not sure when we're going to be ready for that one. Especially now that it's Christmas time, it's really hard. But anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you so much for all of you guys that are subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you very, very much. And you have a wonderful day, evening, wherever you are. And just remember to be nice to one another. Love each other. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.